like I mentioned that we had agreed we would do a homestead and we would kind of see where it went, right? And one of the reasons that we're not, like one of the reasons I don't quit my job and just go full bore into, just push all the chips to the center of the table is my wife's not ready for that. Like our family, we have, we got 4 kids. They're high school and college age. My wife's not ready for the training wheels to come off. You know what I mean? She's like, let's be a little more careful. And I have to respect that and honor that. So
there's only a certain level of risk she's willing to take. That makes sense. I mean, my wife's the same way. I like to jump in to things that I like thought of yesterday with like 2 feet. Like, this is the greatest idea I've ever had. And she's like,
right.
Whoa. Like, remember the last time you said that?
Yeah. I get reminded of some of my mistakes every now and then.
Yeah. Thanks for that. Thanks for keeping me in check.